Okay, this laser machine has 2 laser heads with different laser power. Here is laser tube, one with 130 watts and the other with 60 watts. So the laser 1 is this big laser tube and the laser 2 is this smaller laser tube. Of course, the bigger one is for cutting and the smaller one is for engraving. First we put a workpiece, this acrylic board, onto the platform and make sure it's flat all around, and then we use this menu button and then we use the arrow up and we select the autofocus and then we press enter. Then the machine starts to do the autofocusing. And when it's done, we can start our work. We can use the arrow buttons to move the laser heads. And once we found a position we want to start, we can press the origin button here to set the origin start button. So the laser 1 is for cutting and laser 2 for engraving. So on the computer, when we do the designing, we need to pay some attention to the tips here. The photo is what we want to engrave, and here is a blue round corner rectangle is the shape we want to cut. So we want to use the laser 2 to do the scan, the engraving work. So here we select the 2 and uncheck the 1 here for the engraving work. Here shows the process mode is scan. Okay, and for the cuts, the blue rectangle will set the mode to cut and the power for cutting, and check on the laser 1 and uncheck the laser 2. Okay, as we can see that the 2 laser heads has a distance between each other, so here we need to move the cut, the vector, to a new position. We need to move the laser 2 to the left side to the laser 1. The distance is 100 millimeter. This is what we set the distance between the 2 laser heads. Okay. Let me do it again for you. I make it 5. Enter. This is what we want, but before we do it, we need to change here from 500 to 400. So this will be okay. Then we download the file. Okay. Then on the panel we press File button. And we choose the file we want and we press the enter. And here shows the preview. And then we press frame. It will show where the work is, and then we press start. So now we can see only the laser 2 is working, and now the laser 1 is standby. The laser doesn't come out from the laser 1. This is what we set, and this is what we want. Here the panel shows the preview. You can see the red cursor moves. It's the same as the laser hands moving. Although we see the photo and the cutting frame are in two different places, but we will get them together in real. Okay, now the laser 2 finished engraving, and now the laser 1 is doing the cutting job. Okay. This is exactly what we want. It's the result we just want to get. I think it's quite right. 找个黑色背景。
Burn it.
Okay, put it onto a black background. We can see the result here. Okay, I think it's quite good. You can get a better effect results by using a higher resolution of photo. Okay. So here is what we get at last, and this is what we designed. Photos here and cutting frame here. Okay.